Hello, hello, hello. So I'm here showing my dinner tonight. We have a burger here. This is a blue cheese and green onion burger with some A1 sauce on the burger, the organic butter leaf lettuce, some avocado, onion, some yellow heirloom tomatoes, and bacon. Hickory smoked bacon right there. And then over here we have a Caesar salad. And I put mayonnaise on my bun. These are brochet buns, broke buns. These right here is what I always use. These are really good. I love heirloom tomatoes. I buy yellow, green, red. So this is the heirloom tomatoes. And I put mayonnaise on my bun, on my Caesar salad. Instead of Caesar dressing, I use this Tzatziki ranch, which is really good. And then my A1 sauce. And yeah, this is my little Caesar salad. So this is my dinner, and I toasted my bun. Oh, my avocado is falling off. So, hope y'all enjoy. Peace out. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. Give me that thumbs up. Peace.